Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wasn't planning on filming today, but I started the camera and then just started getting ready. I wasn't really talking because, again, if it wasn't how I wanted, I was just going to turn off the camera. I'm using two palettes that you guys have already seen. It's the Milani Jade palette and the Gilded Pastel. These two, I started off doing just the yellow and the green. I wanted something tropical because I'm wearing some tropical pants today because it is gonna be 80. So towards the end you'll see I added this color because I felt like it needed something. I'm not wearing foundation. Again, I'm gonna be wearing my mask. It is gonna be 80 today, so this look wasn't really for filming. It was just to do my eyes and go. But I do like how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think. So if you're new here, I would love you to hit that subscribe button. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back. If you want to see how I did this look, and then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is the final look. I wasn't gonna do a look today. As you can see, I did a little blush and contour here, but I don't have foundation on because I'm gonna be wearing my mask, and sometimes I'll do my eyes but I won't do foundation. That's what I did today. I feel like I look a little red, but once I put my mask on, it should be fine. And today's gonna be 80 degrees, so I don't want to do foundation. I wanted to do yellow and green because those are the color of my pants, but I felt like it didn't, like it needed something, so I added the orange. And I started off with the Milani gilded the Jade palette, and I used the yellows, this lime green, these greens, and then I went in with this palette, which is the Gilded Pastel, and mixed in these two colors. So I just wanted something a little tropical kind of, because again, these are summer pants. It's gonna be nice today, and I just felt like it needed a little bit more of like an orangey melon kind of color. This is the look. And then I just straightened my hair. You see these parts, they always go, but whatever. So this is the look, and again, I don't have foundation. That's why my skin is looking a little red, but I'm gonna be wearing a mask and it's too hot for that. So later on, if I want to pick up my hair, I can do that. Let me know what you guys think. This was last minute. I really wasn't going to film, but I said, let me just try it. So those are sometimes the best videos, when you don't really plan for it. But let me know what you guys think. If you're new here, you stuck to the end, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button, join the family. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.